The latest addition to the Hot series of smartphones from Infinix is the Infinix Hot 8. So you can see over there, this smartphone has 32 GB storage. And what about RAM? Well, we have 2 GB RAM. And there's something special about this smartphone is that it has the Files application pre-installed. This was a partnership between Infinix and Google. So we'll see what the Files application does in a little while after we power on the smartphone. So we have the smartphone itself over here. That's quite something. 5000 mAh battery, very generous. Triple camera with AI beauty mode. Yeah, we have the triple camera at the back over here. Check that color out. Have the SIM tray over there. Wow. So we have a free screen protector over there. Super comprehensive app. Manual over there. The user manual, and we'll come back to this in a while. This is the Files app that I was talking about. It comes pre-installed on your phone, and the rest is the normal stuff: the earphones, micro USB, and the charger. How many amperes? 2 amperes. So it seems like we also have a very beautiful phone case over here. That's something you don't see in other phone cases. The X Club, Infinix. A little look at the SIM tray over here. 2 SIM card slots, as well as an SD card slot. So this thing also uses the nano SIM card. You can also see the fingerprint scanner at the back over there, but I'll do that later. So we have XOS Cheetah over here. This is based on Android 9. So the Files application is an app to clean, browse and share files. That was from the top over there. And what you see over here, also the same, an app to keep your phone organized and clean by Google. So this smartphone was a partnership between Infinix and Google, but specifically on the Files application. So what does the Files app do? I can see clean, browse, share. So let's first of all find the Files application. Can we just go faster like this? There we have Files. So let me take a photo. let's go back to the files. Let me see videos now. Yes, I have the video over here. And images. Yes, I have the image. So when it comes to clean, keep your phone feeling like new. Regularly remove the clutter and free up space. So I guess this application is used to maybe delete the very many WhatsApp images that all of us have. Browse, that's what I'm doing over here. Find files fast. Your photos, videos, music, apps and more are just a tap away. So even music. Oh, it's under audio over here, but I have nothing. And share files without using data. You can even use the app to transfer files from your old phone. Oh, okay. So from the pamphlet over here, it was clean, browse, share. When you check the application itself, at the bottom over here, you can see clean, browse and share. So according to whatever application you want to use the files app for, you can share. I'll show you how to do that in another video when I get another smartphone. Browse and also clean. So this is the video and photo. This is actually the video that I just took. Let me select and free up 13.85 megabytes. Just select it, and at the bottom it shows you delete. Now you can delete. Now imagine doing that for a lot of files, and this actually shows me the amount of storage I have left on the Infinix Hot 8. At the moment I have 8.24 GB used, and the total storage is 2 GB. So that is the files application. So yes, now let's check other features from the smartphone like I always do. The system, so we have 2 GB RAM, that's 2 GB storage, 8 megapixel front camera, 13 megapixel triple camera at the back. As always, the one with the ring around it is usually the main camera. From here I can tell that's the 13 megapixel camera. We also have 2 GHz quad microprocessor with a very big battery. I actually expected like 4000 mAh, but I can actually see here that we have 5000 mAh. That's quite big. And 720 by 1600 resolution on the screen. So as you will be watching this unboxing video from YouTube, just keep checking my channel for the screen recording video as well. So thank you for watching and goodbye.